This is a super quiet and compact, travel-friendly eye massager with heat, music, and a cooling gel mask. I was sent this to review from ReliefRX, so let me show you a closer look. Cute little branded zippered carry case. Charging cord, standard USB to USB-C. We've got the cooling gel eye mask insert that you can use on its own or in tandem. Very sleek, gorgeous design. This is nice in here. Feels like a kind of faux leather, so it's gonna be easy to keep clean. And then it is a clamshell design, so it's going to be compact, as we saw, for storage. Let's just go ahead and try it. Here is your control right here. I'm gonna adjust here on the back, and this is nice and stretchy. We're gonna go through the modes. Long press on.
Welcome to use the eye massager. Default startup mode, gentle massage intensity and heat.
So we've got gentle massage intensity and heat. Ooh, you can see it kind of moving around in there. It basically like inflates and deflates to offer gentle massage and pressure. Moving on.
Relax mode, gentle massage intensity, heat and music.
Ooh, it added music.
Energize mode, strong massage intensity, heat and music.
Strong massage for this one. This clamshell here, it's going to allow it to kind of bend and flex as it inflates and deflates on your eyes and your face. That music is really nice and relaxing.
Cooling mode, strong massage intensity, cooling and music.
There's the cooling mode. See that? The little snowflake.
Sleep mode, heat and music.
No massage, just heat and the white noise.
Default startup mode, gentle massage intensity and heat.
Then we're back to the start. Long press to turn it off.
Thank you for using. Goodbye.
The handy card in there goes over the 5 modes and tips for using it and how to take care of it. They recommend each session for 10 to 15 minutes. This, you could pop it in the freezer and use it for puffy eyes in the morning. This wasn't even in the freezer or outside. It was just like sitting around, but even just on its own at room temperature, it's really nice and cooling. Like it feels chilled. Really nice, even if you don't pop it into the freezer. It's really, really nice. In the modes that offer music, you can double press
Turn off music.
to turn the music off. I like that ability. Oh my gosh. This thing's amazing. It feels so good. Like it's really warm, but not hot. Like it just feels amazing. And then on the level 1, that's my favorite, the gentle massage and heat. It's like gently, like kind of squeezing at the temples, and then it lets go, and then it squeezes here, and it lets go, and it puts pressure, and it lets go. And it's like so gently done, but feels amazing. I cannot believe how quiet this thing is, running at under 35 decibels, so you can use it in bed without having to worry about bothering your partner. Use it to relax in the office, at home, while traveling. It makes an amazing gift too. What's more, you can even connect it via Bluetooth to stream your own music to it. This is my new best friend, guys. And then with the cooling one, like this, oh, such a 1-2 punch. I'm gonna be doing the cooling mask in the morning for the eye bags, and then the heated eye massage at night to wind me down off of screens, get ready for bed. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I love it, and I know you will too.